His morning crew with Rob, Allison, and Jim.
Are you guys familiar with, or Rob, are you familiar with Baby Yoda
I am.
from Mandalorian?
I sure am. Actually, it's called the child, but I will not get technical on this
child.
whole thing. Yes, but everybody
Baby
calls
Yoda
it
is what
Baby
everybody
Yoda.
on social media calls him.
That's right.
He is trending on social media, and he's actually more popular than all the presidential candidates combined.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Why
Yes.
does that not surprise
No surprise.
me?
So it's no surprise that Build-A-Bear is going to start offering Baby Yodas
I thought they would.
in their store.
Isn't that something?
Yeah, and they haven't said exactly when
Mm-hmm.
you can make one, but they say look for him in the next coming months. And there's no word on whether he'll have like special effects or sounds or something he can do. Fancy.
So build a Yoda.
Build a Yoda. Build a baby Yoda.
Baby Yoda at a Build-A-Bear near
cute.
you, huh?
I mean, you look at those eyes and those ears.
Wait a minute. Now you're in?
I love Baby Yoda. I've always loved Baby Yoda. Ever since I first saw him. And then I realized he wasn't actually Yoda, and it kind of blew my mind.
Yeah, but still called Baby Yoda.
Still called Baby, because he looks like a Baby Yoda.
You're watching Mandalorian?
I am watching Mandalorian.
Did you hear? Allison Powell is watching Mandalorian. That's awesome.
I like it.
You all sit around as a family in front of the Disney thing?
We do until my daughter got a little scared on the last one, so she doesn't watch it anymore. But that's
Don't
okay.
spoil it. I haven't seen the last episode of this season yet.
Sorry, she gets upset when stuff happens to Baby Yoda.
Wait, what? Wait a minute. What?
I didn't say anything happened. I'm just saying.
You said...
I didn't say anything.
No spoiler, please. Not yet.